This video was made possible by Vovo Toys, the legendary hobby specialist shop in Jakarta with a wide range high-quality diecast product. Don't forget to check the link in the description.
Hey guys, I just back from Kuala Lumpur and attending the Malaysia Diecast Expo 2024. What a beautiful event there, and I just can't wait to show you this one of the best casting I got there, the Poprace MDX limited edition casting. It's a SKYKINE GTR VA Griff, the Hakosuka. I think this one I think it's a black chrome metallic paint job. It's just awesome. You guys probably know the Poprace packaging. It's so, it's genius. I mean, you can put it like this, and also you can put it like this. That's one thing I love from Poprace packaging. So guys, let's open this. And at the background, that's my cat Ruby. She's just watching us. And at the event, I'm not only got this Poprace event edition, I also get the CM model, MDX edition, and Mini GT and Eno 64. But I'll do the unboxing in the next video. Let's do this beautiful Poprace first. So this one is new. I never see this at the Poprace casting before. This white paper for, I think for, yeah, some kind of protection for the paint. So check this out, guys. I mean, this is amazing casting from Poprace. You can see the metallic chrome, almost black. I think that's just unbelievable. And the difference between the global version and the MDX version is in here. You can see the MDX logo and a burn effect at the exhaust. That's the MDX version. The global version didn't have that. And beside this, Poprace also have another casting for the event. It's I think it's Nissan Skyline R33 400R, silver 400R, but unfortunately I can get one of those because it's super limited and I'm kinda late to the event, so it's already sold out, but I'm good with this. I mean, this is always be my favorite casting from Poprace. I have the orange one, I have the white one, now I have the MDX edition. That's really cool for me. So guys, this is the MDX version. And guys, if you cannot get this event casting from Poprace, Poprace also released the global version of this casting. It's just the same car, only a little bit different, and the MDX logo and the color of the exhaust pipe, I think. So that's it, guys. I think this is one of the best Poprace casting. One of my favorite, of course. So I think that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.